morning students. Today in this video we will discuss our last topic, that is sense organ. Okay, what are our sense organ? Our ears, eyes, nose, tongue, skin. Is not it are our sense organ? And what is its function? You know, it's provide information to our nervous system of what is happening around us. In our environment, whatever is happening, it provides information to our nervous system. Okay, so the first one is eye. You see, we have to eye to help us see. With the help of eyes, we can see many things around us, is not it? The color part of our eyes is called iris. The black circle in the center of the eye is called pupil, which allow light to enter through it. Now you see, suppose this is our eyes. Okay, inside a round structure is there, and inside that round structure one small hole is there. This hole is what? Pupil. And this colored structure is what? Iris. Okay. Now, the black circle in the center of the eye is called pupil, which allow light to enter through it. So, through this black point, okay, the light will enter inside. Understood? Now you see, the transparent dome-shaped part called the cornea cover the front portion of the eye. Here in the diagram you can see the front portion is called what? Cornea, which covered the front part of the eye. Okay? The lens is present behind the iris. Now what happened? You see, the lens is present. Here you can see in the diagram, lens is present behind the iris. Okay, this one is lens and here is the iris. Okay. Now, the inner part of our eye has a very thin layer of tissue called retina. Okay. The inner layer of our eye means inside our eye there is a thin layer of tissue called retina where image is formed. Okay. Whatever we see with our eyes, what happens? The image form will be in inverted form. Suppose this is the candle. Okay, we have seen like that. But here the image form will be inverted. Later on the information is sent from retina. Here you have seen optic nerves. These optic nerves will carry the information from retina to brain where the image is straightened again. Okay, students, now we will discuss about nose. Okay, our nose help us to breathe, is not it, and smell things. Okay, now you see our nose have two holes. Okay, this one is called what? Nostril. Okay, and it allows the entry of air. Now you see, suppose this is the structure of nose. Below nose our mouth is present, right? Here it is separated by nasal septum. This region is separated by nasal septum so that our nose and mouth do not mix up. Understood? Now let us discuss about ear. With the help of ear we can hear things, right? Now we will see the structure of ear. You see, whatever is happening in our surrounding, okay, the sound, it reaches to our ear, and through ear canal it passes in the form of vibration. Okay, in the form of vibration it will pass through ear canal and it will reach to the eardrum. In eardrum the sound is amplified. Okay, the sound is amplified and it passes through middle ear to the inner ear. And from inner ear the vibration are sent to our brain. Okay. Now you see the outer part of our ear is called what? Pinna. This region is called what? Pinna. Okay. Now the next one we will discuss is our tongue. Our tongue help us to chew the food and swallow food, and it help us in talking. Okay. Now you see in our tongue several taste buds are present, which help us to identify the taste of different food, like it may be sweet, bitter, okay, spicy. So this taste buds send information to our brain. Okay. Now the last one, that is our skin. Do you know that skin is the largest organ of our body? Yes. Now you see the skin, which is the largest organ and the outer covering of the body, can sense, touch and help us to feel heat, cold and pain. Today the weather is very hot or today the weather is very cold. What help us to identify? Our skin, right? If we touch something very hot, what help us to identify? Our skin, is not it? Now, the skin carries out many functions needed for our survival, which include wound healing. So, skin have many functions. First of all is healing wounds. Suppose you fell somewhere and you got a cut. Our skin only help us in healing it, is not it? Otherwise, what will happen? If it remains like that for a long time, many bacteria will enter and you will have several diseases, not it? Now, the second one is protection. Okay, it protect us. Our skin, you see, it is acting as a cloth over our organs, not it? What would have happened if there were no skin? Directly many organisms would have entered our body easily, is not it? Our skin is protecting us. Now, maintaining the body temperature and preventing infection. Okay, so these are the function of our skin. So students, our chapter ends here. I hope you have understood something from this video. If you have any doubt and if you need to clarify, please feel free to ask me. Thank you and have a good day.